Kecingwan penisok biang Zenit M. Sangma, MLA Borim Garangsa Kona Syuh Kongres, kawan rak kecing berkat buhun banjung ketau Dr. Mukul Sangma ru, ulak benwan buat lang, ya kani galenti. Henry Saleng E. Sangma, MP Lok Sabha Natura Parliamentary Constituency, hapakran siklat Batai kubor, hading kecing pedang buram Senit, ha Kongres bawan Shillong, ha karpunai terik berusaha orjapsan, ulaong bo umlak ben Batai A. Halor Dr. Mukul. Ulaong bo Dr. Mukul hi bolakren, bo umwan Shuh Kongres, hagila Batai kubor, bekumta umdani A. Batai ya kecingkren jung
I don't want to speak on his behalf because he himself has already said bluntly that he will never join the Congress party even in the future also. So we welcome everyone's decision. I think he himself has bluntly spoke about the not joining the Congress. I think you might have heard. I think you all have already written that particular stance where he stood that he will never be joining Congress even in the future also, right? Do I have to remind you that one? No, no.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batai kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka batau bha. Kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bhak, ka jing im bakam bhak, pendon kam daki mar ba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan rak shapi lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety, Meghalaya.